Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing a keycap from Archetype. Luck was on my side as I have Milo Sudo from their collaboration with the GMK Arch. Looking at the contents here, pretty simple packaging. We have a box and a piece of candy, which you can see I ate pretty quickly. Opening up the box, we have the keycap. So for this Milo Sudo, I paid $81 US, which was $75 for the keycap plus $6 in shipping. Honestly speaking, I don't know that much about Archetype, but from my online searching, it looks like they're a 3-person team of creatives that are super talented at making artisan keycaps, among other creative hobbies. Even before I started making keycaps and got interested in the hobby, I knew of their work as I've seen their posts all over Instagram. Having said that, I entered the raffle sale mainly just because I thought Milo looked really cool. You can see all of the crazy detail up close here. So if I had to guess as to how this was made, I think it's digitally sculpted and then the master is probably being printed with a resin 3D printer. If this is hand sculpted, then I'm even more impressed as the tiny details are so intricate and very clean. So that's all I got for today's video, as I'll be adding this to my ever-growing artisan collection. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.